Hello, this is Tim Rice with Good Positive and Effective Living. Decided to take a little break from my work just to throw something out there to everyone. I notice everyone when they're learning, they're trying to learn chunks of information and they're trying to memorize it and then use it for life. But I want to let you know that your perception of life is different from all 7.4 billion people, which means that you learn through your own accord. So when you're given information, listen to the questions or make questions up in your mind and allow your intuition and your thought processes to solve it for you. You know, when you have a challenge, you're going to have this consciousness about your challenge at some point when you try to solve it. You know, no problem or challenge was ever solved with the same energy it was created. That's Albert Einstein. Meaning that when you have this challenge, you're going to have to come to a level of consciousness before you can solve it. And that consciousness, you want to start asking yourself some very powerful questions as to why. And then you'll solve it in your own unique way. You know, I'm convinced that trying to adapt and take somebody else's path to success is nonsense. Meaning that somebody's going to write a book and they're going to have 10 steps this way or 3 steps that way. And that's good as a benchmark. But always be willing to add your touch onto it. I call it standing on the shoulders of giants. You have some wisdom. And when you study and learn other people's wisdom, you're going to have this confidence and use your knowledge in order to enhance that wisdom that you've learned. And so it's just your consciousness and your knowledge and your intuition. Your intuition is the science to your consciousness, but you have to put it in an explicit plan, if that makes any sense. Meaning you'll think about it, you'll know it's a challenge, and when you see the solution, everything that you come up with is the plan or the strategy towards the goal of solving that solution. And that's what really life is about. This world is established. And to think that you're going to have true success following behind somebody else's world that they established, you know, they wrote it. But you can be the editor and do exactly what it is you want to do in your life. The world is established, but you don't have to do what the world does. And that's only if you find that the world is not giving you what you deserve in life. And I don't see how it ever can. Personally, I don't know how you can ever really follow behind somebody else's footsteps and think that it's going to give you your purpose and meaning. You see, your connection to the universe is unique and special. And every human being, all 7.4 billion of us, has something special to give to this world. You're here because you're unique and you're amazing and you're incredible. But you have to tap into your inner strength and your inner talent and skills and abilities in order to give life what it is you want to give it. So learn to set aside society and its drama and its issues and stop looking for entertainment so much. You know, entertainment is great on your downtime, but focus more on yourself, on what it is you want to give this world. Be your best and give the world what it deserves. It deserves your best. See, you're amazing and it created you for a reason. And it's never to sit back and follow behind something else or someone else. You're unique, you have skills, talents, and abilities, and you have to use them. But remember, it's your very own intuition and consciousness that does it. I hope this video was helpful. I can be reached at www.gpeliving.com. And give me some comments down below and let me know what you feel about it. And remember, I love you all. GPE Living is for life, y'all.